Welcome to Who Knows. Today, we're diving into 10 historic moments of February 17th. From groundbreaking discoveries to shocking events, this day has seen some incredible moments. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating videos like this. Moment 1. Birth of a legend. On February 17, 1963, basketball icon Michael Jordan was born. Widely regarded as the greatest player of all time, Jordan led the Chicago Bulls to 6 NBA championships and revolutionized the game with his talent, charisma, and Air Jordan sneakers. Even today, his legacy soars above the rim. Moment 2. King Tut's tomb opens. In 1923, the sealed burial chamber of King Tut was finally opened by archaeologist Howard Carter. Inside, they found the boy king's golden sarcophagus, untouched for over 3,000 years. This discovery gave the world a glimpse into ancient Egypt like never before. Moment 3. Pluto gets discovered. On this day in 1930, astronomer Clyde Tombaugh discovered Pluto at the Lowell Observatory. It was considered the 9th planet until 2006, when it was reclassified as a dwarf planet, breaking the hearts of space lovers everywhere. Moment 4. The voice of Bart. Nancy Cartwright, the voice of Bart Simpson, was born on February 17, 1957. Since 1989, she's brought America's favorite troublemaker to life on The Simpsons, one of the longest-running TV shows in history. Cowabunga, dude! Moment 5. The House of Cards launch. In 2013, House of Cards debuted on Netflix, changing the way we watch TV forever. The political drama, starring Kevin Spacey and Robin Wright, was one of the first major streaming-exclusive series, paving the way for the binge-watching culture we know today. Moment 6. A historic snowstorm. On February 17, 2003, the East Coast was buried under one of the biggest snowstorms in U.S. history. The blizzard dumped up to 40 inches of snow, shutting down cities and causing billions in damages. It was a winter storm to remember. Moment 7. First synthetic diamonds. In 1953, scientists at General Electric created the first artificial diamonds using extreme pressure and heat. This breakthrough changed industries, making diamonds more accessible for jewelry, cutting tools, and even space exploration. Moment 8. The Human Genome Project. On this day in 2001, the Human Genome Project announced it had successfully mapped 90% of the human genome. This was a game-changer for medicine, unlocking secrets to genetic diseases and paving the way for personalized treatments. Moment 9. A spacecraft's final rest. The Galileo spacecraft, which explored Jupiter for over 8 years, was intentionally destroyed by NASA on February 17, 2003. It plunged into the planet's atmosphere to prevent contamination of Jupiter's moons, ending its mission with a fiery farewell. Moment 10. Billy the Kid escapes. In 1875, outlaw Billy the Kid made his first jailbreak from a New Mexico jail. He went on to become one of the Wild West's most notorious gunslingers, proving that even at 15, he had a knack for trouble. What was your favorite moment? So subscribe and keep watching. Who knows what you might discover next? By the way, why did Pluto break up with the solar system? Because it needed space. See you at the next video.